noise came on when I just started the AC on the lowest setting. Comes back on intermittently when the AC compressor turns on. It's like a bubbling, hissing noise coming at the glove box area. All the vents are open.